Boy, I'm already back to Daggerfall, huh? um, Not speedrunning today, though. Still not back to speedrunning it. It's fine. I can stop anytime I want, I promise. Tonight, I'm just going to do a perfectly normal playthrough, casual, vanilla playthrough of Daggerfall. Am I burying the lead too much? Of course, we're going to go with a Breton. We're going to do a custom class. I do want to be able to do this in one sitting, so I am going to do probably the basically speedrun setup for at least the main skills so that I can level up quickly when and if I want to. Let's do archery. Uh, sure. Okay, that should be fine. Name. They're a friendly baker. What's their name? What would a friendly baker be named? Um, I don't know, Susan. Something like Susan. Sure. And what does Susan look like? Yeah, probably like that. I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't install anything. This is perfectly vanilla. There we go. Probably less dark than you're thinking, to be honest. No, I don't want the tutorial. All right, let's see. Did we? Goodness sake. All right. I tried really hard to pick a bunch of cursed mods, but there are a lot fewer than I had hoped for Daggerfall. Oh gosh. Of course, there is. I do have a mod that makes a lot more enemies spawn. So we'll kill this archer. Maybe they've got a bow or something for us. Oh god, there's a couple of. Oh god. Oh my god. Good lord. What the heck was that? Oh god. Oh, there's so many. Oh my god, get me out of here. Oh, okay, we made it. All right. Ooh. Let's find a bank and then go shopping. Oh wait, I don't want general store. I want like a equipment shop. Here we go. Weapons. All right. What do you have? A helmet. Well, we're definitely not gonna wear a helmet. Why would we? Oh, here we go. This is what I'm looking for. That's more like it. Oh, yes. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I'll take that. Oh, great. Okay. Now we're good. All right. Mage's Guild. What's the matter? Let's put that away. We don't want to scare the townsfolk. Right. Kagome is kitted up. Sorry, Susan is kitted up for Castle Kingsley. Oh god, this is unpleasant actually. Oh gosh. His guns are not very good. Okay, how about we do actually use the machine gun? How about that? There we go. Oh my god. How much health does she have? How much damage am I doing? Why? Why won't she die? Oh, finally. Good lord. Oh my god, I shot her hand off. That's brutal. Oh, there's another one. Okay. How about this? Oh. Okay, that's a bit better. Oh my god. Okay. Don't remember this part? Oh, okay. So you didn't make it to this part of Daggerfall. That's fair. Like a lot of people, it was pretty well hidden in the original, so that's understandable. Was it the Sony Space Shotgun? Okay, so here's the story. Daggerfall was built on the same engine that Bethesda used to create the Terminator tie-in game, Future Shock. So, someone has made a mod to port all of the weapons from Terminator Future Shock into Daggerfall. And they are all just like scattered around the world in loot piles and in shops and stuff. So Arnie actually one-liners. Oh man, I wish I was better at coming up with one-liners. Okay. Oh my god, this gun is so much better than the other two I was trying to use. What the heck? Just so I don't get in trouble, I want to disable this mod. Alright, we're just gonna do a bit of leveling. Look, it's everybody's favorite part of me playing Daggerfall, is when I level. Pacified battlemate. Wait, what? Okay, whatever. Oh, why are you attacking me? Can I kill him? Will anybody be mad at me if I kill him? Oh, they will. Wait, what? Oh, it broke! My weapon broke! I didn't know they could break! Oh no! I'm sure Scork Barrel will be fine, right? I was told this would use my archery skill, but it doesn't seem to be. This does so little damage. Does it say how much damage it does? 3 to 4, 2 to 3 versus 16 to 17. Oh my god. Okay, well, we're running. God. Can't even kill a bats. Okay, there we go. Ah! Oh, that one just came through the wall. What was that? Oh no. Oh no. uh, well, I do wish I could shoot open doors. That would be so good. Oh my god, why are they all here? Okay, so, loading does weird stuff with this mod. Oh my god, why? Why? Oh my god. Why are there so many? Oh my god, there's so... I thought it would be... Well, I didn't think it would be an ancient vampire coming to attack me. Okay. Ooh. I don't know if I can actually do this. Alright, what if I just run straight through and we get lucky, maybe? And we can force our way through this place. Oh my god, why are you all out? Alright, I can't. I'm so used to using vanilla attack style. Come on. No, not another one. Come on, out of the way. Oh god. Oh my god. Where do they all come from? Oh god, this is... This mod is so broken. I can't even do anything. Okay. Okay. Well, that was, that's Daggerfall with guns. Like, I don't think I can, I don't know if I can make this work. If I just leave, will it? Oh my god, okay, this mod has to go. This mod is breaking everything. It's a shame, because it's kind of funny, but I can't use this mod that adds a bunch of extra enemies. Alright, just a normal amount of bats, and hopefully a normal amount of not enemies in here. Okay. Alright. Alright, that's done. I guess we can go to Sentinel and do the Missing Prince quest. No! No! They kicked me out because I failed a quest? Really? More plasma guns, a machine gun, plasma rifle, there we go, that's better, alright. Oh, it's so expensive. Alright, can I get the rest of the game with, like, maybe just this one gun? I might need to. I might not be able to afford to buy any others. Unless... I am a higher level now. Can I take out more loans? I don't think you can, actually. If you already have one loan, I don't think you can take out more. Unlike the real world. Oh, you can. Oh, this is a different bank. Oh, okay. All right, there we go. That'll get us some more money. I've got extra hands. All right, let's wait for us in Fosham. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, okay. Pew pew indeed. Good thing the enemies can't have these guns. I really thought these guns would be more overpowered, but obviously the mod maker tried to balance them somewhat. Alright. Okay, let's see if I can buy anything else while I'm in the city. Shotgun. Oh man, that's not a lot of damage though. 2 to 3. Oh, why are they so weak? Why are they so bad? Why did you make them so bad? They're like worse than... I mean, I guess they shoot fast. You know, ooh, a heavy laser. Good lord. Sure, I'll buy that. You know what? I'm gonna buy the shotgun just to have it. Was there another gun? Another gun shop. Another weapon shop? There we go, level 7. Perfect. So I just need to travel. I hit him once and did probably like 0 damage. How about the little laser? What's a laser like? Oh, okay, there we go. That's already slightly used. Incredible. Oh no, my loan is coming up due. I guess, could you just like keep taking out loans and like paying off old debts by taking out new loans as you get higher and higher level? The way that people will like pay off credit cards with other credit cards. Dagger Ponzi scheme, yeah. All you gotta do is just never stop leveling and you'll be fine. You'll just stay ahead of the curve, you know? I mean, really, it's not that hard to do in Daggerfall. Like, you got a whole year just to get another level or 2. You're fine. Just, you know, sit around and do this for a little while. No issues. Mod to fill out forms. Oh my god. Sorry, excuse me. I don't know what I expected, but... Well, in a magic setting, they might be. It is possible that in a magical setting, you would want to have... Oh god. Like a magic sword or something, or just the ability to cast spells rather than a laser gun. Okay, I hit him once. Oh my god. I did not consider this when I was coming here. Okay, hit him twice. Oh, no. Shotgun, come on. Oh, got him. Yeah. Took him down with the shotgun. Let's go. Oh. Oh boy, this is gonna be interesting. Well, Daedric coming in useful, or not. I was hoping I could, like, use this run as some kind of catharsis and just, like, blast my way through enemies, but that is not what's happened. This has been even more challenging than just playing normally, I think. So what is that? That's 193. Let me find that save real quick. There we go. Okay, now we should actually be able to hit things. That's better. Wow, look at that hit rate. That's what I'm talking about. Now, proper Doom. Ah, that's the stuff. Is this hitting multiple times? The shotgun might actually do a lot more damage than it is listed for. Ah, that's closer to what I was hoping for. Oh my god, they're so... vampires. The worst. This ghost. Always annoying me, getting in my way, paralyzing me. And then this lich up here, trying to end all my runs. Get blasted. Imagine being an orc in a fantasy setting and someone just like runs up behind you and blasts you in two with a like plasma rifle. That would be so insulting. Like that shouldn't even exist in this universe. What are you doing? Someone, it has to be said, with an anime face. Not an anime body, just the anime face. It's basically VR chat. Yeah, kinda. Where am I going now? What haven't I done? Oh, the dust. Right. Oh, God. Okay. Dark Ivern is up there. What? What is... What? What is this? Who is this? Hello? Who are you? Huh? Did I kidnap the Queen Mother or something? Oh, it's Medora talking to me, I think. I just never get this in the speed run, so I was completely confused. Okay, please be here, or else, well, I'll just have to... Oh, well, that works. I didn't know you could survive that. I don't hear it in there, though. Oh, no, I see one, though. Is it you? We almost look like a proper, like, space marine or something. It's bad, or it's about to break. Oh, well. Oh, okay. That's fortunate. Okay, got the dust. Back to Medora once again. You know what? There's a console command to give you, like, all of the guns, I think. I'm just gonna do that. See, what's this? Grenade launcher, okay. And an RPG. Now we're talking. Oh man, it's actually got like a... Oh, that's so good. What the heck? I can't believe they could like actually implement that. Oh my god, that's so good. Okay, this is the catharsis I was after. You know, they say that like fire is an effective like purifier for spirits and stuff. So I'm sure that like what is an explosion but just a lot of fire all at once? It makes sense. Play the game as Dagger Shock intended. As the way that Todd Dagger Shock wanted me to. Rattle him. Yeah, this is perfectly normal, vanilla, unmodded, regular Daggerfall. Nothing at all odd going on here. Farm Unicorn! Thank you for following. Welcome to the murder. I promise it's not usually like this. You're a barbarian. Oh no, wait, I can't. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to kill everyone. Okay. Because I can't actually. I can't go invisible and, like, quietly break that door down. No one else gonna attack me? What the heck? Huh, okay. Oh, there they are. There they are. Okay. Now they're trying. Fortunately, I can't kill the king or anybody important, so anyone else want me? I really wish I could blast the doors down, but sadly, I just have to go back to kicking. Okay, there we go. Oh, this is so satisfying. All of these enemies who give me trouble, or gave me trouble in the speedrun. It's okay, I'll just have to kill everyone down here and then rest. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, pacified. Yeah, that'll save you. Oh. Oh no, I'll have to use something else. I want to do a speedrun with this thing. These are like Daedra Lords, aren't they? Yeah, okay. Oh my god. Try and stop me now. Alrighty. Actually, if you don't have levitate. Oh, okay, there it is. You can levitate from there. I was wondering how you actually finish the game. Yay, okay. That was our perfectly normal, vanilla, casual playthrough of Daggerfall. The first half of the run was a bit of a struggle, but once I just gave myself 100 archery, that was much more cathartic. Exactly what I had been hoping for.